Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing, tasty video. Actually, the video of today is all about the Samsung Galaxy A9 2018. This is a flagship which captured me, and I was like, damn, I'm supposed to give out the video, and everybody's like, whoa, this is so amazing video. Actually, this kind of great device, it has some ingredients which they're quite different than any kind of Samsung Galaxy flagship actually, but you can compare the A series with the S series because they all have different kind of ingredients on them. Actually, the A9 has an 8GB of RAM. Runtime on the box, it's so great. And another kind of stuff about the A9 which captured me is the quad-core camera. Now, the quad-core camera system, it's so great, and it has a little bit of flavor which can give it to you on your own kind of device and ingredients. So another kind of stuff upon this kind of device which captured me mostly, it has two variants. The first variant rocks a 6GB of RAM, and the second variant rocks 8GB of RAM. And this kind of device can give you a bunch of stuffs which you may like them on your own arsenal. The display is so great when it comes to its own sharpness and contrast, and it's a quad HD display. Now you can compare to a 5 series or the other kind of flagship of Samsung, which is a little bit minimum on flagship. This device has 3800 mAh battery. Now 3800 mAh battery, you may ask yourself, is it that much worth it, or is just that Samsung, they're just like a little bit minimum when it comes to battery actually. And another kind of stuff upon this kind of device, it comes up with an Android latest, which is Android 8.0 Oreo, and Samsung, they said they're planning the upgrades to Android 9 up to 3 months later on. So we are seems to be like shaky here and here, because we are like hold up on Samsung devices which they are racking Android 8.0, getting that upgrade to Android 9.0. Now Android 9.0 will be coming out 2019 on January. We're expecting it on January because I can tell you guys on December it will be like something which is so tragic. Now another kind of stuff upon this kind of device, it's not a budget device. Now some of you may ask yourself, is this device actually budget? Well, no. This device is cost 600 euros. Compared to the 600 euros to USD, it's almost like 600 USD dollars. Another kind of great ingredient of this device is the CPU. Now, if you don't know about CPU, I've talked about it a lot in my channel. There's a MediaTek processor, there's a Snapdragon, there's NTK, there's blah blah blah. There's a lot of CPUs out there, but this kind of device gives it to you a Snapdragon of 660, which is actually no bad. It's so great, and it gives you all the flavor. Now in other topics, I'll break it down between the MTK and the Snapdragon, so as you guys, if you want to select a certain variant of device, you won't be a little bit shaky whenever you're selecting a certain brand, so as it can have a certain processor, can give it to it can help you out. Actually, don't give it to you, but it can help you out on your own kind of arsenal. So yeah, so another kind of stuff which captured me is the way this redesign of the phone looks like. It's like glass at the back, and the front, it's fully HD quad display, and it's so tasty and it's so great when it comes to your sharpness. And the pixels, actually you can't actually, they say that you can see them, and this has been rumored a lot that you can see a pixel, but I can say it's hard to see a pixel because right now the quad HD has been more improved on Samsung devices and all the earlier flagships, which are so great when it comes to its own kind of specification. Now this is the Samsung Galaxy A9, and there's bunch of stuff going on this device which they'll be announced, but the device is already officially announced on October and even November, and you can even pre-order the device. Now all the links will be down below on the description, so as you can go and check it out. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, make sure that you hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't get subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscription. I'll really appreciate that. And thank you guys, we have hit almost like 1,600 subscribers, and we are hold up to go to 2,000 subscribers. I'm so happy about it, and I gave out a giveaway, and Actually, the giveaway went to Prince J, but Prince J is kind of delaying getting in contact with us, and time is going on. So I'll be giving a Prince J only 2 single days, which after 2 days we can select who the t-shirt will go to. So yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. It's your boy here, Abdurrahim12, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.